Hello, friends! Ready for some fun?
Today we're using stencils. They'll help us learn all about the alphabet.
Can you say these letters out loud? A, B, C, D. Wow, good job, everyone. Now let's draw these letters. We'll need a pencil. We'll start with the letter A. I'll go around the edge. A is for apple. A nice crunchy fruit. Yummy. We'll draw the letters B and C. The stencil makes it easy. The last letter on this stencil is D. D is for dog. A, B, C, D. Let's lift the stencil off and see what we've got. It's so exciting! Ready? This is the color, green. I'll use it to color the letter A. I'll start with the outline. I'll go nice and slow. Then I can fill it in, like this. It reminds me of a green apple growing on a tree. We'll use red for the letter B. Let's go over the lines. Can you think of anything that starts with B? Shout out nice and loud. A ball. Yes, that's it. A big red ball. Great job, everyone. We'll color the letter C with the red pen, too. What color should we use next? How about blue? Let's think of something blue. This is hard. What did you say? The sky! Yes, the big blue sky with fluffy clouds. Can you think of something else? The blue ocean! That's where the fish swim! Splish splash! That was a great suggestion! Do you know what this color is? You got it. It's called black. We'll use it to go around the letters. It will help them stand out. They're going to be even better. The letters are so colorful and bright. Wow, look at that! We finished coloring the first letters. We did a great job. Let's put the stencil back on. Then we can say the letters once again. A, B, C, D. Yeah, we did it. Let's see what's next. Look, it's E, F, G, H, our next letters. Let's draw, friends. We'll start over here with E. We need to go all the way around the stencil. We don't want to miss any spots. We've almost finished sketching them out. This is the last letter. We did it, friends. Now we'll take the stencil off and color them with our pens. This color is called purple. We'll use that on the letter E. Oh, I'm thinking of something that starts with the letter E. It's an animal. It's gray and has a long nose called a truck. Yes, an elephant. The next color is yellow. We'll use it to color the letter F. It's so bright. It makes me really happy. What makes you happy? Having fun with your friends?
Yes!
Wow, me too. I always have fun with you. It's the best. We've almost finished the letter F. The next color is blue. We'll use it for the letter G. Can you think of an animal that starts with G? How about something with a long neck? Yes, a giraffe. Well done. The letter H will be red, just like a juicy strawberry. Do you like strawberries? You do? So do I. Wow, they're so yummy and tasty and good for you. Let's use the black pen again. We'll go all around the letters with it, just like this. We finished the next set of letters, friends. Let's put the stencil back on. It's E, F, G, H. Well done. We've got more letters. Let's say them out loud. Ready? I, J, K, L. We'll start with I.
What starts with I? I know. Delicious ice cream. Yum!
Ice cream is yummy. We can have some when we're finished with the letters. It's time to take off the stencil, friends. Let's start with the color green. What else is green? Can you think of anything? Let's guess together. The grass? Yes. And big bushy trees. The next color is yellow. We'll use that on the letter J. There is a curve in this letter. Can you see it? It reminds me of a fruit. Yes, it's like a banana. We can use red for the next letter. We'll draw a red K. Oh, I thought of something that starts with a K, friends. A kite. A red kite flying high in the sky. Can you think of something that starts with K? A kangaroo jumping as high as a red kite. The last letter is L. Let's color it. Purple. We need to draw 2 long lines with the purple pen. Then 2 small lines. Now we can start to fill it in. Yay, we colored all 4 of the letters, friends. But we still need to use the black pen. Let's go around the edges of the letters. We'll start with the green eye. Can you help me? I knew you would. That's what friends do. This is the last part. We can use the stencil again. Let's put it over the letters. I, J, K, L. They look great. Shall we see what we've got next? Wow, it's the next set of letters. M, N, O, P. Let's use the stencil to draw them. We'll start way over here with M. Using a stencil is a great way to learn about the different shapes that make up letters. They're all different. Some are straight, some are curvy, but each one of them is unique. We can take the stencil off now. We'll use a red pen first. Let's color the letter M with it. Let's think of an animal that begins with M. Do you know? A monkey! Yes, fantastic! Monkeys live in trees and love to eat fruit, like bananas. Hey, that gives me an idea for the next color. A banana is yellow, just like this pen. I know. Let's use it to color in the next letter, N. It'll be so bright. I want to stay in the lines, but it's okay to make mistakes from time to time. This is blue, remember? I really like this color. I think it's my favorite. We'll use it to fill in the letter O. O looks like a large circle, doesn't it? The last pen is green. I know it starts with the letter P. A pigeon. What else? Penguin. Wow, we're learning so much today, friends. And it's so much fun, isn't it? Okay, let's use the black pen now. We need to add an outline to our letters. We'll go slowly around the outside of them. I like this part. It just makes everything look great. Now for P. Oops, I made a mistake, but that's okay. It happens to everyone. The most important is to try your best and have fun. Can you help me put the stencil back on the letters? We need to line it up so we can see all the pretty colors. Hey, we found another stencil, friends! Q, R, S, T. Let's draw the letters. Q is a funny shape, but don't you worry. The stencil will help us. T is the final letter on this stencil. Now we can say the letters out loud. Let's say them together. Q, R, S, T. Which color should we use? How about red? Thanks, friends. That was a great idea. Let's think of something beginning with Q while we color it. This is a tricky one. I know. This person wears a shiny crown on their head. Can you guess? Yes, a queen. Queen starts with the letter Q. You got it. Great job, friends. We'll use green for the letter R. I know an animal that starts with R. It has long ears, a fluffy tail, and it likes to eat lots of carrots. Shout out if you know what it is. That's it. You got it, a rabbit. Rabbit starts with R. The next color is blue. We'll fill in the letter S with it. S is long and curvy. Can you think of a long, curvy animal that starts with S? Say it nice and loud. Yes! You got it! A long, slippery snake. That was hard. You're so good at this game. Well done, everyone! Let's use yellow for the letter T. We'll start at the top and then color it all the way down. Tea, toy, tent, tooth. These are all words that begin with the letter T. Can you think of any more? How about a big yellow truck? Vroom, vroom! Let's use the black pen to make the colors stand out. We did it today already.
Wow, I'm learning a lot about the alphabet. It's so much fun learning with friends.
That's right, Emily. It is fun. And we've still got more letters to draw, but we need to finish these ones first. Let's say the letters, everyone. Q, R, S, T. Well done. This is the next set of letters. Do you recognize them? It's U, V, and W. Wow, Those are tricky letters, but you did it. That was fantastic. Well done. I'm so proud of you. We've almost drawn the letters already. There. Now, we can make them bright. The letter U will be green. Shout out if you know anything that starts with U. Umbrella! Yes, unicorn. Wow, so magical. We can use yellow for V. That's a funny letter to say. Let's try it together. V. V is for vegetable. Vegetables are good for you. They keep you nice and healthy. The last letter will be blue. I know something that's blue and starts with W. It's really big and swims in the sea. Can you guess what is it? I know you can. Yes, it's a blue whale. You did it. It's time to use the black pen again.
Guess what, friends? There are 26 letters in the alphabet. I counted them all.
Wow, that's a lot. You counted every letter, Emily? Well done. 26. That's a really high number. We've almost finished adding an outline to our 3 letters. There's one more line to add. We did it. U, V, W. These are the last letters of the alphabet. X, Y, and Z. Those are hard to say, but we'll say them together. The first letter we'll draw is X. Let's try saying it out loud. X. You did it! Oh, I know a musical instrument that starts with X. It's xylophone. That is a really long word to say. Z is the last letter of the alphabet. X, Y, and Z. So X is going to be green. Let's think of something that's green. Oh, I know. A green frog hopping on a green lily pad. Ribbit! Ribbit! The next color is red. I know something that begins with Y. Yacht. A yacht is a type of boat that sails on the sea. And Z will be yellow. I can think of an animal that starts with the letter Z. Can you guess what it is? It has black and white stripes. Say it out loud. Yes, it's a zebra. You guessed it. There's one last thing to do before we're done. We need to add the black outlines to the letters, remember? Here we go. We've gone through the whole alphabet, friends. This is the final letter, and that's it. We did it. Woohoo! We need to put the stencil back on the letters. Then we can say them out loud. Ready? X, Y, Z. Amazing! I had a great time learning about the alphabet with you. See you next time!